the specific demands and the wish list put forth by all the three camps. But before that, viewers, let's take you through the pictures that came in. So as you are aware, no formal announcement has been made yet, but it's all but official now as to who's going to become the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. But just take a look at the pictures. These are pictures that came in from last night, and sometimes you've heard that saying which goes on to say that a picture speaks 1,000 words. Just take a look at, this was the meeting that took place between Amit Shah, Devendra Fadnavis, Eknath Shinde, and then this is the Mahayuti meeting, the pictures that came in from that meeting with all the leaders in one frame, the top leaders who led the Mahayuti to a huge victory in the state of Maharashtra. So now let's also go across to what exactly the kind of assurance views that came in from Eknath Shinde. If you remember, just 2 days ago, it was Eknath Shinde when all this conversation happened about who's it going to be. Will it be Eknath Shinde? Will it be Devendra Fadnavis? What did Eknath Shinde say? Eknath Shinde put it on record that he will back any decision taken by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah when it comes to the decision of the CM post.
सरकार बनाने में हमारी तरफ से कोई अड़चन नहीं है। आप निर्णय ले लो, जैसे आपके भारतीय जनता पार्टी को आपका निर्णय अंतिम रहता है। हम भी महायुति के कौन लीडर है, एनडीए के लीडर कौन है, मोदी जी है, अमित भाई है, तो उनको कहा कि मैंने अमित भाई जी को भी फोन किया, मोदी जी को भी फोन किया। सरकार बनाने में हमारी तरफ से कोई भी रुकावट, कोई भी अड़चन, कोई भी कुछ भी किसी भी तरह का अड़ंगा नहीं है। आप बेशक आप निर्णय ले लो।
Now, back in the year 2019, when the Bharatiya Janata Party was dumped by Uddhav Thackeray's Sena and the state of Maharashtra was plunged into a political turmoil, and the rest, you saw what happened over the last 5 years, that has now become history. But back then, in the assembly, it was Devendra Fadnavis who had famously said, "Main laut ke wapas aaunga." And now that there's maximum possibility of him becoming the Chief Minister of Maharashtra once again, that statement of Devendra Fadnavis has been going viral on social media.
मेरा पानी उतरता देख मेरे किनारे पर घर मत बसा लेना। मेरा पानी उतरता देख मेरे किनारे पर घर मत बसा लेना। मैं समंदर हूं, लौट कर वापस आऊंगा।